So now we're going to see how PingPrice is working. Let's go into a supermarket, for example. We enter. And we're gonna check some prices, and we're gonna check prices of chocolates because we saw that chocolate is in promotion. 2 plus 1 for the same price. So we check here, 2 plus 1, all right. So we're gonna check this product, 609, if it's really correct on our app. So to do that, we just go into the PingPrice app and we scan the little barcode here and we get the price, 449 at Albertijn, 478 other game. The lay is 509, 609 in other games. So it's 35% more expensive, and we see that we have the promo here, minus 33% for 3. So indeed, it's 2 plus 1 for free. So it's working. Let's try somewhere else, if we can see somewhere else. So let's go and see. There is some tea here as well. Let's check if we can check the price of the tea. So we go back here, we scan, and we even scan the little smart tag. And by scanning the smart tag, we see the price immediately here, 279, which is the price on the smart tag. But we see it's much cheaper at Cora or Albertijn or even in other game all the way. So we can also check all the different products we have scanned before. So we can go back and see Nutella, for example. We can see Lutti, different prices, okay? And we can refresh all the prices in once by clicking on the button refresh. It takes a little while because I have 10 products, fine. Now if I go into one product, I can also change shop and say, instead of Colruyt other game, I want to have Colruyt somewhere else in Wondergame, and it's going to give me the price in Wondergame, which is a bit different, where we have an extra promo. So you see, the app is actually taking into account all the different promos. Thank you for watching.